Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. In today's video, I want to share with you how to invite someone to manage your YouTube channel so that you don't have to give them your password. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your YouTube channel at youtube.com. Over in the right corner, click on your logo. Next, click on YouTube Studio. Once you've entered the YouTube Studio, click on Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Then click Permissions and click Invite. The next thing you want to do is add the email address of the individual that you would like to manage your YouTube channel. After you've entered their email address, click on the drop-down menu for access and choose what role you'd like to give that individual. So YouTube offers a number of different roles. There's a manager that can view everything, manage permissions, go live, and create, edit, and delete content. Next, there's an editor who can view everything, go live, and create and edit content, but they can't manage permissions or delete content. There's an editor limited that has the same permissions as the editor but can't view revenue data. There's the subtitle editor who can add, edit, and remove subtitles but can't view anything else. There's the viewer who can view everything but can't create, edit, or delete anything. And there's the viewer limited. They have the same permissions as the viewer but can't view revenue data. So you make the decision of what role you will give your manager or editor or the individual that you'll have manage your YouTube account. Once you've selected the role, then go ahead and click Done. Now, one thing you may want to do is make sure that you read under the access selection where it says you are responsible for the actions of the people you give channel access to, etc. So once you click Done, the individuals will get an email like this from YouTube inviting them to access your YouTube channel. When that person receives the invitation, all they have to do is click on Access Invitation, and then YouTube will put a message on the screen that lets them know that the invitation has been accepted. And that's it. Once again, I want to thank you for hanging in there with me. This is Romona from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you will receive a notification each time I post a new video. And with that, I want to say have an amazing day.